I got here my young bull Fidel Castro here with that beer. Look at this. Getting ready to perform some miracle on these headlights on C6, which, as you guys know, they're a nightmare. They always look at how ugly they look. I mean, the car looks pretty nice, but the headlights, they just look horrible. So he's gonna perform some miracle here and get them nice and shiny again. Let's see how they come out. So this is JR with Miami Corvette Parts. Remember, if you guys need anything for Corvette, any parts, just let us know. 786-509-3403. Alrighty, guys. I'll keep you guys updated in regards to these headlights and how they will come out after he's done. This is the car that came in that was hit from behind, and it was already repaired, as you guys can see. Pretty nice job. Lines and even lines. Came out great. The guys did a great job. And now I got the kid doing the headlights. We're gonna stop for today. It's already 6 p.m. here, so tomorrow it's gonna be another day. So this is the before, and then I'm gonna show you guys the after on this car. It's coming along, so I keep you guys updated. This is about 20 minutes of sanding already, different grits of sandpaper. That's what he's doing. So let's see what this young guy can do. Here we go with, now he's doing a 2000 grit. Then he's doing 3000 grit and then 5000 grit. So this side is halfway done. So I'll continue filming and see how it will come out, guys. They were in really, really bad shape, as you guys saw at the beginning. So let's see how they come out. So now the final stage is by hand with water, wet sandpaper, 3 and 5000 grit. Get all the little details out. As you can see, you can start seeing the light already looking much, much better. And it hasn't been polished yet. So, before and now. Like you guys can see, this is already a huge improvement on the before and after with the headlights. Lots of patience. I would say it's taken about, if I count all the time and the time he's been spending doing these lights, about an hour and a half on both lights. So it's not just like a lot of people say, yeah, I just sand it down and polish it and they come out great. If you want to do a detail and really nice job, it takes time and patience. But they're coming out good. And still, he has to still polish it with another polish. And so let's see how it comes out at the end. Yeah. So we're down to the polishing process now. And as you guys can see, man, they're looking awesome. The change or the difference is huge. So obviously they're not gonna look brand new, but they are going to look very, very good. And this is the final step. And once it's done, I'll show you guys how it came out. And like I said, it's already a huge difference. So you guys can see a huge difference, the before and after. And in person, they really look much better than in the video. The lighting here doesn't do it justice, but factory lights back to its original beauty, just about. Okay, that's it, folks. And remember, if you need any parts, don't forget to call Miami Corvette Parts. We have all the parts you need for your C4, C5, and C6. Alrighty, guys, until next time.